forever since I've done one of these videos. Today, I wanted to share with you a recipe that is packed full of skin-loving nutrients and explain how they actually help your skin. This is a rainbow, almost raw, but completely vegan Buddha bowl that you can make at home. It only takes maybe 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how much of the veggies you prep, and it is packed full of nutrients for your skin. We're talking getting rid of acne, we're talking fighting fungus, we're talking helping with scarring and actually rebuilding collagen and elasticity in skin. Not to mention, it is delicious and you can even make it spicy. This bowl is phenomenal, and instead of just telling you about it, let's dig into the ingredients, the science behind why they work for your skin, and how to make this. Let's get started. The base of our bowl is packed with skin-healthy proteins from quinoa and garbanzo beans. So the first thing you want to do is cook that up. Get your quinoa, get some hot water, and as according to the package directions, make sure that you cook these. Once they are all nice and soft, you can drain them. You also want to grab your garbanzo beans. I just get the ones out of the can from Trader Joe's, they're like 99 cents, and I just heat these up in the microwave to make them nice and toasty. These two ingredients are going to make up the base of our bowl because they are so high packed with protein, with amino acids, etc. Quinoa is a grain that is actually a lot less refined and processed than any other grains. And of course it's gluten-free, it's all vegan, it's soy-free, so anyone who has sensitivity should probably be okay with it. Your body uses proteins to repair skin tissue, like if you get a cat scratch, or if you have acne and blemishes on your face. That protein in this quinoa is what's really going to help to rebuild your skin from the inside out and give your skin the building blocks it needs. Next, for garbanzo beans or chickpeas, or in Punjabi, chole. These are amazing because they have manganese, protein, and vitamin B, which are all really helpful at repairing skin as well. Especially if you have scarring or pigmentation, the nutrition in these beans can help to mitigate that and to help your skin repair. They can also help with overall skin elasticity. So I'm just gonna mix these both in together, make sure they're piping hot, and this is going to be our base. Next, it's time to start adding your veggies, and again, we want to go with the rainbow. I'm starting off by slicing up some tomatoes. I'm slicing up the tomato, I'm slicing up the yellow bell pepper, as well as a little bit of this white onion, and I'm cutting the sweet potato into pieces. Now, when I cut this purple sweet potato, I'm going to be boiling it. You can boil it or you can steam it. Steaming retains more of the nutrients, but boiling is just easier for me. As that is cooking, I'm gonna get started on the sauce, which is really easy and really creamy, but again, it's vegan, so no dairy. The base of this sauce is cashews. I soaked them in water for about 30 minutes, which really helps them become a lot more pliable, and they end up being a lot creamier when you blend them. I'm also taking a couple heads of garlic for a little bit of a punch, some nutritional yeast, which has a lot of B vitamins and B12, which is really essential for anybody on a vegan or vegetarian diet. I'm gonna use the juice for about half a lemon, and if you want a little bit of spice, because you know I like it spicy. Cover your ingredients with water and then blend away. Next, it's time to start adding in all of our rainbow chopped vegetables. And we're gonna start off with red for tomatoes. No shame in my kitchen game. Tomatoes are chock full of lycopene, which can really help your skin and even your eyes. They're also great for hair and nails. So I'm just gonna take these little tomato tomatoes and place them onto the side. Next, we're gonna go with carrots, aka vitamin A and beta-carotene. Did you know that anti-acne treatments such as Accutane or even retinaldehyde are really similar to vitamin A? They're other forms. Only carrots are natural, they're not that intense, and they're edible. So don't go eating your retinaldehyde or, yeah, please don't eat your skincare. The difference is that a lot of your skincare ingredients and Accutane contain amounts of vitamin A that you would never find in nature. So because this is natural, it's the right amount and it's good to go. The great thing about eating your vitamin A or beta-carotene is that your body only converts as much as it needs, not too much and not too little. These carrots also have vitamins such as vitamin B, which can actually help with UV damage. It's also got vitamin C, which has anti-inflammatory properties and it can be an antioxidant, as well as a potential UV blocker. There are a couple of studies that are being tested and being shown that show that beta-carotene in carrots, when eaten, might actually help protect your skin from the sun. So that's another reason to stock up on your veggies. Then I'm going to layer in these slices of yellow bell peppers. And did you know that bell peppers actually have more vitamin C than an orange? Bell peppers are the vegetable that has the absolute most vitamin C that can be found. And you know about vitamin C from your skincare? It packs a complete and powerful antioxidant punch in your food as well. Next, let's add these microgreens. You know how baby scorpions or baby snakes are sometimes more venomous or more poisonous than the big ones? Same concept applies here. These microgreens are sprouted, and they pack such a nutritional punch for both your body and your skin, from the inside out. It doesn't matter which sprouts or greens you get, as long as they are the tiny ones. Microgreens are packed with vitamins such as A, E, C, and K, as well as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is found to have an anti-carcinogenic effect in many studies. Anti-carcinogenic meaning anti-cancerous. And it might also have the ability to detoxify the liver. They may also help decrease oil production in skin, which means less severe pimples and less blackheads. Next, let's throw in a couple of blueberries. These are awesome because they add a little bit of sweetness, but they also have some amazing antioxidants to them. Blueberries can actually help stimulate and encourage your skin to produce more healthy collagen. Collagen is literally the rubber bands that holds your skin together, that helps lift, firm, and help keep you looking young. So here it is to the blueberries. Lastly, let's place in those sweet potatoes. Purple sweet potatoes are extraordinarily helpful because of how much lycopene they have. Like the tomatoes, lycopene is anti-inflammatory. It can really help to reboost your skin from the inside out. And the darker color the veggie, the more nutrients it has. Sweet potatoes are the exact case. So if you have a choice between potatoes and sweet potatoes, or regular fries or sweet potato fries, go with the sweet potato ones. Also, you can remove the skin, but I like to keep the skin on. There's a lot more vitamin C and nutrients packed into the skin of your veggies. And very last but not least, we have the onions. Unfortunately, onions have kind of gotten a bad rap in the skincare world. Some really popular blogs say to avoid them, but that's actually the opposite. Unless you're allergic to onions or something, they can actually pack a really powerful punch for both your body and your skincare. One thing that you should know about onions is that they contain allium and allyl disulfide. These are two phytochemicals that are actually converted into a compound called allicin inside of your body. This stuff is powerful. It's a vasodilator, meaning it makes your blood vessels pump more blood, which in turn can bring more oxygen and more nutrients to your skin. On top of that, onions might also be able to help with killing certain funguses and bacteria, such as candida, which can be a very common cause of acne for a lot of people that they just don't know and they're not treating. So once I have all those on, it is time to add the sauce. After this has been blended, you can simply drizzle it on. And you try to make it look pretty. After that, your delicious skin healthy Buddha bowl is ready to eat. Again, this is packed full of nutrients, and now you know why they're actually going to work for your skin. If you recreate this, it's super Instagrammable, so be sure to tag me if you do have a photo of it. And leave a comment if you have any other favorite raw vegan recipes that you want to share with me, especially if there are any foods that have really helped your skin. If you found this video helpful, be sure to let me know. There's also a little white arrow in the corner. Think of a friend who you would make this for, whether it's for lunch or dinner, and click that little white arrow. You can share this video directly with them through a text or through an email. And that way you can spread the skin-loving goodness. And you guys can be healthy and happy and have clear skin together. I really love you guys, and again, I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed, it's right there. It's completely free. And if you click that little doorbell button, you can come over for dinner. Just kidding, it'll actually notify you when I post videos about skin, science, or food, so make sure you hit that so you don't miss an upload. I love you to absolute pieces, and I cannot wait for you to try this. Love you guys. Bye.